I think it actually looks pretty good. I like it. What's up everyone? Welcome back to Team Kelo What? In today's video, we're once again gonna test out the Just for Men Beard and Mustache product. So as you know, in the previous video, I actually tried this for the first time. I had a lot of grays in my beard. I don't know if you can tell, and it actually did work for me. Full disclosure, that was my first time doing that kind of a coloring to my beard. And you know, I was surprised that the product actually worked this well. The last one we actually tried the jet black one. This time we're gonna try the dark brown for a different look. If you can see, my beard there's a lot of grays in it right now. Rather than going too dark, we're gonna see what the dark brown looks like. And let me give you a close-up so you can see what my beard actually looks like right now. This is a look at what my beard looks like right now. See, I have a lot of grays. For those of you who have like little patches and things like that, this could be something you want to do to take care of those. Again, we're gonna go with the dark brown product. This is the M-45 dark brown, in case if you're looking for it. It looks like this. Let's see what the dark brown looks like. Alright guys, first things first, let's take a look at what's in the packaging itself. So the first thing we have here, coupons, I guess. Then we have the color developer and also the color base. You have the gloves. The gloves are important. If the normally use if you're gonna use it on somebody else, right? If you're gonna put it on yourself, you don't really need to. And then finally, the instructions. I don't read the instructions. I've already read them before, so I know what I have to do. For you guys, that it's your first time, read the instructions just so you could have a better idea of what you need to do. And finally, we have the brush to apply the solution in your face. Alright, before we get started, I want to mention that in the box it says to always remember the 48-hour allergy test rule. So basically, you want to take a little bit of this product and apply it in an area of your face to see if you get an allergic reaction to it. Like I said, luckily I don't have a reaction to it, but I've seen pictures of people who got it get swollen, and just apply a little bit, you know, maybe a couple of days before. If you don't see any rash or any bumps in your face, then go ahead and use the product, but always be safe. So first, you take the little bucket and you make a line down basically like this. Then you take the color base and you do the same thing. You make another line down the sides, just like this. Come on, there you go. So essentially you're making two lines. One other color base and one other line applicator. Once you have the two lines in there, all you gotta do is simply just mix them together until you get like a little colory paste, right? Mix it real good. In the event that you need more, you can always put a little more. We're gonna continue to mix it, and you can see that the product is actually getting the color that you are looking for. Okay, looks like we have a nice little paste. Make sure everything is all mixed up together. And now, let's start applying. All right guys, now that we have our mixture already ready to go, we're gonna start applying it directly to the beard, and make sure that you apply it on exactly on the beard in a downward motion where you need it, obviously. And go all the way down. Be very generous with it, especially in the areas that you need. And go move from one side to another. You don't need a lot on one side. You just gotta, you know, a little bit of the product is good on the areas that you want. It's a really easy process. Make sure you grab as much as you need and you just keep applying across. You usually want to apply it in a downward motion so you can go through the hair. Sometimes you have it in the top of the little brush, so that what you do is you just flip it and then you just go down again like this, and you see that I already applied it, and then you go on the other side again. You do the same thing. All those little white hairs should be. It is also recommended that you put a little bit of Vaseline around the outside of the beard to make sure you don't get any rash as well. So if you're concerned about it, put a little bit in the outer edges just to make sure you don't end up with an allergic reaction. All right guys, as you can see, the product's already filling in, and it's looking pretty good. So what you want to do is you want to make sure you look at the areas that you need and you start filling them up. And then once you know you have all the patches and the whites in the areas that you want. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna leave it for the recommended 5 minutes. We already have our timer going. Once we're done, We're gonna come right back and I'll show you the final results. See you in 5.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, and here is the result. Our beard looks amazing. If you can tell, let me give you a little closer look at it. Look how it looks, luscious, nice, filled in. And as you can see, this was the way the beard looked before. And look at what it looks like now. You could take the comparisons. For those of you who want to have more of a natural look, if you can see the hair, actually you still have some of the little whites hairs around, so it looks kind of like a natural filled in beard rather than too much black and kind of like overpowering your face. So I think this is actually a way to get a nice shade into your beard and looking kind of natural right away. All right guys, what are your thoughts? Tell me what you think about the beard. Do you like it? Do you not like it? What do you think? Does it look good on me? If you actually tried this product or any other product like this, please leave a comment below. Let me know which product you tried. The one that I tried is the Beard and Mustache Dark Brown. This is the M-45. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time we put out a new video. We would really appreciate it. By the way, if you see that like button is not shaded blue, hit it until it stays blue. Thank you for watching this video. We'll see you on the next one. Team Kelo, what? I think it looks good. I think it actually looks pretty good. I like it. I really like it. Dark brown. Good.